an update. This patch, I cut it out. Apparently I did it, well, I know I did it last year, but I don't know what happened. It didn't do so hot. Sorry, had a tickle in my throat. So anyways, so I cut a piece of 18 out. The 2 holes are what I'm going to plug weld. All the rest of my welds, actually they're starting to look pretty good now that I've fixed the welding machine. So there's the plug welds. The reason why the plug welds is because of this. So yeah, that's all going to get cleaned up. I kind of cleaned it up last year. But anyways, that's how we're doing with that. And with this, it's all welded. I got to just weld the holes up now that I goofed up on. So other than that, and that's the welding ground or whatever. But other than that, I mean, it's straight, it's flat, it's ground, it's molded. My trim flare works well on it, so we're getting there. Hopefully it's under primer by the time 6 o'clock rolls around or 5:30 rolls around. So, and I'm looking down the side of the blue. I found out I can get this in the quart size, so I might just do that and try using the spray gun. See what happens. I don't know. I'd rather experiment with, the $8 a quart as opposed to the $80 a quart paint that I do have. So that's where we're at. More to come. I'll take pictures when, or I'll be back when welding is done. One nice little side effect is this here. We had a whole bunch of high spots and low spots. Well, the heat kind of brought the high spots down and the low spots up. So it's looking much better than it was. So, but anyways, let me finish this and grind it down, and I'll show you the finished product for there and for this before I go into it. All right. So, quick update. Thanks.